Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making a quick recipe for garlic bread with store-bought bread. So let's get started. Take the bread. I am using a softer kind. You can use your favorite soft bread for this recipe. Slice the bread in medium-sized pieces, not too thin, not too thick. I am using fresh garlic for this recipe, and as the name suggests, we are going to use a lot of garlic. Grate the garlic. If you're chopping it, try to chop it as finely as possible. Then take vegan butter. Make sure to keep the vegan butter out of the refrigerator for some time so it is softened. Add the grated garlic to it. You can find the measurement for all the ingredients in the description section. Chili flakes, oregano, rosemary. I'm using the dry one, but if you have the fresh ones, definitely go for it. Add crushed black pepper, salt and mix everything. If you are new to my channel, I am here to help you in your vegan or plant-based journey with easy recipes. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for future notifications. The vegan garlic butter mixture is ready. Apply it to the bread. You can prepare the base paste in advance and store it in the refrigerator. This is such a popular and easy party snack. I am sure once you try it, you would make it for all your future parties. Bake over 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Check the garlic bread after 10 minutes as the setting of each oven might differ from another. Plus, I like mine to be a little bit crispier on the top and soft on the inside, so I keep them for an extra 2 to 3 minutes. You can take them out earlier if you want. The vegan garlic butter bread is ready and my whole house smells amazing. Your guests or friends are going to love this. If you're making these in a hurry and want to cut down the time further, you may use garlic powder, but I would still urge you to consider using fresh garlic as the flavor and the taste is unparalleled to anything. Serve this hot with your favorite vegan ranch. See how easy it is? So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye. Don't forget to watch these 2 delicious vegan recipe videos.